Alright guys, what's up? Today I'm going to do an unboxing video, which is something very different from what I usually do. Usually I'll unbox some phones, some computer gadgets, etc. But today I'm unboxing this. This is the EDC flashlight from AceBeam. Yes. What's it called? Rider RX. No, this is not your ordinary Kamen Rider or whatsoever. But if you find this video interesting or helpful in any way, I hope you can show your support by pressing that subscribe button and like and also share. Okay guys, let's go! Alright guys, so this is it. This is the time for us to unbox this. So let's look at this. So the box is really compact. Okay, it's about let's see, about the size of my finger. Here you can see here AceBeam Rider RX EDC flashlight by AceBeam. They got some details over here, the QR code and also the bar here. 5 years warranty. Okay, remember that. So let's pop it open. Okay, how to open this? Okay, let's take this out. And this, and this, and this, and this. So what is it actually that you get? Okay. Alright, so we got here an O-ring. Okay, which you'll be using this to replace the O-ring after a while. So this is to make sure that you don't get any water or moisture in. You got the manuals. You rarely read the manuals, right? Never mind that. Over here, oh, the charging cable for the battery. And you got this to hook up your EDC flashlight, your Rider RX. Okay, so let's look at this. Push this aside. Here it is. Look at the front. What does it say? Remove dust-proof film from lens. Okay, you need to remove this before you use it. And then this is the switch it on button. Okay, the design itself is very good. Look at this. Oh my god, it looks so cool. It says AceBeam over here. Don't throw this in the garbage bin, guys. Rider RX. The code. Okay. Now, I'm going to show you. This is what makes it so interesting. Okay, you can push it to the side. Get it down. Put it up again. Go back. So you can keep on playing this. So you can use this as is, or you can use this while it's like this. Okay, there's no problem with that. So to take out the battery, all we need to do is twist this open very carefully. Okay, and this is your battery. Okay, this one comes with the 920 mAh battery, 3.7 volt. About 3.4 watt hour. So you can charge it from here using the USB Type-C cable that they gave you. Okay, this is the battery that we'll be using for this test. Okay, just put it in, twist it back. Okay, this is the O-ring. Okay, so put it back, and let's take this out. What's this? There we go. Excellent. So, oh my god, so bright. So this is it. This is the flashlight. It looks so cool, so tiny, so portable. It's not that heavy at all, since it uses the 14500 lithium-ion battery, which is very good. You can also use a normal AA battery. However, the brightness will be slightly lower, which is, well, it is not slightly, but quite much lower. But it is a good thing since you can get the AA battery anywhere. That means once you finish this and you can't find any charger around you or any power bank whatsoever, and you do have an AA battery spare in your backpack, you can just pop it in and use it just like that. Okay guys, so what I like about this thing is actually the fidget capabilities. Yes, you can just, if you are bored, let's say for example, if you're like waiting for someone, just play with it. See? Look at what I'm doing. Okay. What can you do with this flashlight? Okay, so another thing that you can do with this flashlight is make it into a candle. It's sort of like a candle. I don't know what, I'm not too sure what, when you put it like this, stand it like this, what is it called? I think there's a term for it, if I'm not mistaken. Can you please write it down? Because I'm very new to this. The reason why I'm interested in flashlight is because recently, if you notice in my videos, we're all interested in camping. We all got hooked to camping. Therefore, having a good flashlight really helps. Since it uses a stainless steel clip over here, you can either put it down like this. You can put it anywhere in your backpack or pouch bag whatsoever. And you can also put it on your cap. Okay, let me do it. See? So let's say if your headlight batteries are down, or if you don't have any headlight whatsoever, you may also use this. This is very small, very handy. You can carry this anywhere. You can bring this around every single time. Okay guys, so see how does it look? You can pop it. See? Whoa. Now this looks like a good headlight. Let's talk about the body, the design and all that. So basically, I love the design. It looks so futuristic. It looks so like a, actually, it looks like a gun. Like a bolt action rifle or whatsoever. If I'm not mistaken, the inside of it is made from an aluminum alloy, while the outer layer is made from a stainless steel. Okay, when you see all the gaps inside, the gaps does not only makes it looks better, it also helps to dissipate the heat. Okay, but anyway, as I mentioned again, this is actually my first time reviewing a flashlight. But then again, it looks so cool. I might get another one, you know what? Okay, so the fidget thing is really cool. If you want to access the inside, you just have to twist the lens at the front. Okay, you can take out the battery to charge it, or you can use this, the AA battery. So guys, my main point for this flashlight, the Rider RX, is first, the design. Second, the size. The size is really good. It's really portable. You can put it anywhere. You can put it in pocket. You don't feel anything. It's way really small. Okay, it works so great. Maximum lumen is 650, and the maximum that it can throw is about 96 meters. So this works really far for a very small and compact flashlight. This is good, in my opinion, as a newbie. I mean, you know, look at it. Look at this. Looks so cool. I want it. Okay guys, so this is it. The Rider RX flashlight. Okay, it uses the Nichia 219F LED high CR190 with a neutral 5000K. Okay, it is also powered by the 14500 USB-C line-on battery, so you can charge directly on that battery. Okay, so guys, if you switch it on to the ultra low setting, it can last for about 53 hours. And slightly lower if you go to the higher setting. Well, you know. So basically there are 4 modes you can use, which is the ultra low, medium and high. Okay, and there's a hidden function, which is the SOS. Okay, how do you do this? Okay, I'm going to show you. This is very simple. Okay, you see? All right. So there are 2 ways for you to switch the mode. The first one is by quickly pressing the tail light. Okay, show 1, 2. Okay, so let's quick. Twice, just press twice very quickly. You'll change to another mode. This standard and high, ultra low, standard, high. Okay, next, the second way for you to do that is by half press. You can half press the tail light, okay? Let me do it. Ultra low, low, standard, high. Ultra low, low, standard, high. You can see that, isn't it? So how do we access the secret function, which is the SOS, which you won't really use it, okay? So what you have to do, you can either half press or quick press. You need to cycle the mode twice. Cycle the mode twice and it will go to the SOS function. Let me show you. One. There we go. SOS function, guys. Okay guys, so it's actually raining outside and it's around 11 p.m. In my place. So as you can see, I'm in my neighborhood. In front of my house, there's a small car and then there's a field. Okay, so I'm gonna test this out. I'm gonna try to, okay, this is the highest setting. Look at that. Look at the small car in front of the house. It brights so well. Look at the trees. And I'm trying to aim further. Okay, I hope we can see there. It's really bright. Okay, I'm currently outside. So we're gonna test this out. Okay, look at this. And then the tree over there. Okay, you can look, all those insects are coming in. It is really, really, really bright. Okay, this is it. So after using it for quite a while, I did notice something. The heat mainly focuses at the front. Okay, so basically I would suggest if you want to use this, you might as well slide it outside just like that. Okay, so that the heat over here will somewhat dissipate and the air will cool it down. Okay, you don't have to worry about the battery over here because we got all these gaps between the stainless steel and the aluminum alloy body inside. Okay, and how you want to press it? Yes, you can still press the tail light just like this, no problem with that. Or you can press it, or you can press it first and then you slide it down. That also works. Now guys, should you buy this? Okay, if you're a newbie or if you're someone who don't usually go out or go around anywhere at night, you might also want to buy this. Why? Because you can bring this along when you go for a long drive. For example, if your car breaks down on the roadside at night, or you have some trouble, or you want to help someone at night, you can just bring this around. You can put it in your pocket. Let's say if you wear some khaki, some jeans, whatsoever, you can just slide it into your pocket. You can bring this around anywhere. But I don't think you would bring this on a on a morning ride or morning cycle or something. But anyway, this thing works well even for those who are not into outdoor activities. But if you're talking about if you want to go camping, want to go hiking, want to go into the outdoor, okay, you might also want to buy this, put this as a spare, as one of your gadgets, because not only this works as a flashlight, it also works as a fidget. It has the fidget. I don't know. I'm not sure what it's called, but it's a stress reliever, I would say. You got nice sound and it looks great. You want this. Okay, so how do you buy this? Okay guys, so you can look down below in the description. I place the link to AceBeam Rider RX. You can go there, check it out. If I'm not mistaken, the price at the time of this video is around $52 US, but there might be a discount if you use some coupons. I think there are some coupons over there, and during the sale they might be having some sales as well. So make sure you go and check it out. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and if you want to show your support, please do share, like and subscribe. So if you have anything you want to ask, just hit down the comment section and I'll try to explain everything. Thank you guys. Ciao!